Okay, I'm currently in truck number 1, Honda, ending in 5.3, and let's go for a ride. So shift it to gear number 2. We don't need to go to gear 1, and let's go. Let's go cruise around the farm and test out this truck a little off-road. Gonna hit a bump right now. Let's see how it handles it. Very well. Go get some more bumps right there. Everything's fine with that. Beehives over there. All right, it cruises. So let's put it in reverse and let's go backwards. We are currently going backwards. Just gotta make sure I don't run anything over. Backwards driving with the mini truck. All right, put it in gear number 2. Let's go cruise around. Went down a little hill, like a bump in the ground, big hole in the ground. So I got all the stickers still on the window. These mini trucks just came in. I haven't had time to scrape off the stickers. I will, but just not this today. It is about to storm. And here are all the rest of the mini trucks. So thank you for watching. If you want to buy a mini truck, we have plenty of mini trucks for sale. Look at that. And very low miles on most of these. So give us a shout out at buyaminitruck.com. Again, buyaminitruck.com, and the storm will be coming soon. So thank you for watching and have a good day.